this? I wonder when they opened.
Ellis Island. It's family owned. Is this not it here? But
what does that mean? Is it gonna be cheap ass tight?
I don't know. We'll
Chicken
find
ass
out
tight?
if it's chicken tight or not.
It's family owned. How come we've never gotten a room here?
Because we don't play here.
We played once and we did lose.
Yeah, we did lose.
Did we even get a player's card though, or we just played?
I think we just played.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we're walking over to Ellis Island and doing a walking tour. Newly renovated Ellis Island. Ooh, it's hot.
It is. The sun is just beating right now.
All right, follow us.
So is it bigger?
I think the ceilings are taller, it's bigger. Casino. Wow. Let's go clockwise. Oh, it does look a lot bigger. Wow. Look at this thing.
This is what we see from the outside.
Yeah.
This is what they added. There used to be an outside eating area.
I think it's over on, yeah. This is a bar right here. And then behind the bar, there's also more games. This whole
Walk around the bar?
sports area. Yeah. It smells new in here, besides the cigarette smoke.
High limit. This is high limit.
Oh, this is high limit. Let's walk in the high limit. High limit next to the bar. Street cat. The piggy game, Lucky Looters. We got Top Dollar. So there's the entrance right there to the main street.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Grand Buddha. Wow. Did a good job.
That's the new addition. Here's the renovated area.
These are table games, craps. Alright. And then they also have the electronic table games here too. The electronic craps. So here's their front yard bar area. Oh, they have the bar area outside with table games too. They got table games out here too.
Yeah. $10 on the regular table. And then $5 on the
Electronic?
electronic.
This place is pretty lively. Ooh. Village Pub and Cafe. Oh, does a casino go all the way over there too, through here? Oh, let's go take a look. Yeah. So there's this section over here. Wonder what this section is. It's like older area.
Older machines.
Let me walk through back here. Kino, Buffalo. I like this wall. It's a small casino. It's small.
It's very lively.
It is. Oh, they got two craps games going on right now. It's a long table. Dragon legs. That's the casino, everybody. I'm gonna use the restroom. You wanna get a player's card? Right here. I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll meet you here.